Welcome to our channel. If your Fire TV stick is frozen, running slowly, or experiencing technical issues, follow these step-by-step instructions to restart your device and restore normal performance. Step 1. The simplest way to restart is using your Fire TV remote. Press and hold the Select button and Play/Pause button simultaneously for about 5 seconds until you see a message on screen. Step 2. Wait for the Restart Options menu to appear on your TV screen. Select Restart from the menu options and confirm your choice to begin the restart process. Step 3. If the remote method doesn't work, you can restart through the Settings menu. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to Settings at the top of the screen. Step 4. In Settings, scroll right and select My Fire TV or Device, depending on your Fire TV stick model and software version. Step 5. Select Restart from the list of device options. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to restart your Fire TV stick. Step 6. Confirm the restart by selecting Restart Again. Your Fire TV stick will begin shutting down and will automatically restart within 30 to 60 seconds. Step 7. If your Fire TV is completely frozen and unresponsive, you can perform a hard restart by unplugging the power adapter from the electrical outlet or from the Fire TV stick itself. Step 8. Wait at least 10 seconds before plugging the Fire TV stick back in. This ensures a complete power cycle and helps clear any temporary system errors or frozen processes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.